So what am I doing with a bottle of gin? I'm going to make a herbal drink using the gin. This is for health benefits. So let's get started. These are traditional Chinese herbs you can get at traditional Chinese herbal shops. So they have many health benefits. So my grandfather used to make it in a big vat. Hey, Dom. So just put all the herbs into the container that you have. If you have a nice big jar, that will work. My grandfather used to use a big vat, so he used to pour dozens of bottles of gin in there. So we're just making a small amount here. So we got all the herbs in the bottle here. So next step is we're going to put some gin in there. So the people that make the alcohol, they got this funny top, so I actually broke it. So I guess it's for controlled pouring, and so people can't put alcohol back into the bottle. So they can't substitute bottle. That's what I understand. That's what I heard anyway. So anyway, I broke the top. I'm trying to figure out how to pull this thing out. So I'm not sure if it pours properly or not. So what I've done, actually I've got this strainer here. I'm going to pour the gin in, and it doesn't pour. So I didn't actually open it yet. Stupid thing. I don't get upset too much, but when you get no instructions on this thing, and then you're trying to pour this thing out, and I waste a lot of time already. Oh, there it is. The whole cap comes off. Shit. Excuse my swearing, but I mean, so actually this stupid thing has a cap that comes right off. So we're just going to pour the alcohol in. So my mom's just pouring the gin into the bottle. You can use other kind of liquor if you like. You can use like brandy or scotch or whiskey. But gin is a nice clean alcohol. It's just clear. So after a while okay, it's such a big bottle, my mom was tired. And just put the lid on the jar. Make sure it's tightly sealed. So we'll mark it down for 3 months. If you have some tape of any kind, just seal the lid. So there's evaporation and so you don't lose any of the alcohol. Oh, so my grandfather used to drink this every day. Has maybe half an ounce every day, or most days. So even though 3 months is sort of a minimum, you can actually keep these herbs in there for even a year or more. So it gets better with time. So we're just going to mark the date on here. So what you do is also put a date on the bottle. These are pretty standard herbs that we use. We often use these herbs in soups, Chinese herbal soup, but you can also soak it in alcohol the way we do it here. So make sure you check with your local health, Chinese health store personnel to see what's best for you. There's different benefits for different herbs. So here's another bottle that we made before. My mom had some gin. She put some ginseng in it, just ginseng. So after a while the gin changes from a clear color to this kind of dark color. So that's normal. Chinese medicine herbal drinks have become more popular in Western bars and restaurants. Thanks for checking out my video. Please like, subscribe, and any comments you make are always welcome. And be sure to check out some of my other videos.